Okay, so let's start. This is
Yeah,
a lesson about AI. I'm sure
yeah,
you've heard of it, especially working in like a tech environment. So this
yeah,
one is about machines and mimicking human intelligence.
yes,
Mimicking is just a very fancy word to say copy.
yeah.
Copy. So if I
Okay.
mimic you, I'm copying you. I want to do what you're doing. So I
Mm,
think they're trying to get robots to be like humans. I don't know
yeah,
why.
yes.
Okay. So yes, let's talk about human
Mm,
intelligence, AI intelligence.
yeah.
Okay. If there's any words that you don't know, or if I talk too fast, you must just say stop or
Okay.
okay. The
Yes.
first one, I think I've already asked you.
Mhm.
Have you heard of artificial intelligence or
Mm,
AI before?
yeah, I heard about it in the social media. Maybe it's ChatGPT or DeepSeek or
Yes.
something like that. Yeah,
Okay, so you heard about or found out about AI through
yeah,
social media? Through social
mm,
media.
yeah.
Okay. I think everybody kind of that doesn't work in the tech field sees it on social media.
Oh,
Okay, this is a bit of a tricky question. I don't know how I would answer it. How would you define AI in your own words? So define means explain, but using your own words.
mm,
How would you
yeah.
define AI?
AI. Uh, in my opinion, AI is artificial intelligence. It is made by human to uh, and um, they do not have the real brain like human, but they have the function to 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 searching information on the internet, to summarize it and to give you the answer you want, or um, um, or automate the work that human is doing.
That is
Yeah.
like the perfect answer. And I like how you said, in my opinion, automate the work. Well done. That is like fluent level English vocabulary that you're
Mm,
using. Yes. So it's like a human, but it's not a human. It's a computer
mm,
that does all the human things.
yeah.
Um, okay. This is a very advanced answer. I wouldn't say this.
Mm,
But I would describe AI as a form of computer intelligence that enables machines to understand, learn, and solve problems with explicit programming. Wow, those are some big words. Yes. So enables, it's just like it makes machines understand and solve things using code, program. So we actually tell the computer what to do and it does it for us. I don't think the robots will take over. Okay, yes. Can
yeah.
you give an example of how AI is used in your everyday life? Do you use it in your life?
Mm, actually, I think that we are using a lot of AI in our life. But in my life, I use a lot of um, ChatGPT. I use it to ask for a question that I need, and they give me the
Mhm.
answer back, or I need it um, to help me in my job, like summarize the long information, or uh, or write some content. Um, yeah, and
Okay.
yeah,
That's a great answer. I also think mostly students also use AI or, like you said, ChatGPT, which is
yeah,
also a form of artificial intelligence. So
yes,
I also, if I have like a silly question, then I ask ChatGPT, like, how do I answer this question?
yeah,
Or can you give me ideas for work?
yeah,
Yeah, so you do use it. That's great. I think it's made it so much easier for a lot of things. You can save time. Like you
yeah.
said, you have all this information and you just ask them to summarize it for you. That's great. Okay, that was a perfect answer.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, these are very difficult questions.
What is
What
this?
do you think people use AI for in different industries? Industries are different forms of work, like you're in the tech industry, then you get the marketing industry, sales industry. What
Mm,
do you think people use AI for in their industry?
People use AI for different industries. Mm, Actually, I think it's very good if people use the AI in their work to make it faster and more effective. And well, but if they use it in a bad way, maybe um,
Oh, yes. If they
mm,
use it to negative ways?
yeah, in a negative way, they, for example, yeah, for example, in because I study Korean, so I usually have to translate the document, and I can ask ChatGPT or another AI to translate it for me. But if I don't review it, maybe it had um, the error or misunderstanding that. So I cannot,
Okay.
yeah, I cannot
Yeah.
rely all to AI.
That's perfect. So yes, you need to actually, even though it does the work for you, it's not
Yeah,
actually a human.
yeah,
So if there's a mistake or error,
yeah,
you can't, like you said, rely on AI to do everything for you.
yeah. Even I
Yes.
have, even they have, even AI have me. I need to review it and take responsibility for it.
Wow. That's such a beautiful answer. Are you sure? Your English is like amazing. You answer these
Mm,
questions better than me.
No, 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 no.
Yes,
Actually,
yes, yes,
I
yes.
actually I have I don't have confidence in my fluency. Actually,
Oh,
Mm,
it could be at the moment because it's one on one. I know
yeah,
normally if you speak in front of a group of people, especially if it's their first language, you could be nervous. But if I could speak like you, I would speak English the whole day. I would just go for it. So this is one of the answers. Let's see what they say here. Thank goodness for this. Otherwise, I don't know how I would be able to answer. I believe AI is used across various industries. For example, in healthcare, it can assist in diagnosing diseases. Okay,
mm,
so maybe if you're a doctor and you don't know what's wrong with the patient, you can say he's got a headache and a cough.
mm,
What sickness does he have? Oh my goodness. Or in finance, it's used to do tasks like fraud detection. Okay, so fraud is if you're trying to steal money from other people in bad ways, illegal ways, fraud. Um,
yeah.
yeah, so you can use it everywhere. That's pretty cool. I think if my doctor started using ChatGPT, I would run away.
Mm, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Do you have any questions? Any
Actually,
words that are
mm,
new?
uh, is mm, fraud. Can you explain more about the word fraud?
Fraud.
Yeah.
Okay. So fraud is usually another word I would say is like scam. So
Uh,
if you are wanting to take money from people or business ideas, but you do it in a way that's not right, it's illegal, we call that fraud because you're basically stealing people's money and ideas. So it's
uh,
like stealing. Um,
uh,
yeah,
yeah,
it's stealing.
yeah. Got
Okay.
it. Thank you.
But this term is mostly used when talking about, so if they steal money, you could say it's fraud. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. It seems to have a wide range of applications. So they say you can use it everywhere.
yeah. Right.
Okay. I'm going to give you a sticker.
Really?
Yes, you did so well. Which one
Yes.
do you want to choose?
Sorry.
Which sticker would you like to choose?
Uh, how many sticker do you have? Mm,
Okay, there's
how do I
30.
choose
Pick a
it?
number.
Ah,
Just pick a number between 1 and 30.
I choose this.
Number 6. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a little teddy bear. Yay.
Thank you.
Okay, well done.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, read the paragraph and match the words in bold with their correct definitions. Okay, do you think your reading is very good? Do you want to try?
Mm, yeah. I'll try.
Okay, okay, cool. So we have this paragraph. We call this a paragraph. So it's a lot of sentences, and then these words in bold. We're going to see what they mean. We're going to try and figure out and guess what they mean. Okay.
Mm,
So would you like to start reading?
yeah, okay, I'll try it.
Do you want to read out loud or in your head?
Oh, okay, I will read it out loud.
Don't be
Yeah,
scared. Just go for it.
yeah. Artificial intelligence (AI) works like a digital brain using algorithms, which are step-by-step instructions guiding its action. An
Intriguing.
intriguing aspect of AI is that it can process information in real time, meaning it can understand and respond to things happening instantly. AI can also mimic human thinking, learning from experiences to improve over time. Sometimes it follows explicit rules like a recipe, and other times it learns on its own, adapting and getting smarter as it goes along.
That
So
was
for
perfect. What?
thank
Well
you.
done. That's worthy of another sticker. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will answer the question here.
Yeah, let's go have
Yeah.
a look. So we have the word algorithm. That's a big
Mm,
word. What do you think algorithm means?
algorithm. Actually, I I know the Vietnamese meaning of it,
Mhm.
but
Okay.
I, I what it, but I don't know what is it.
Okay.
So
Let's
um,
skip that one, do three, and then maybe the last one will be
yeah,
algorithm. That's what I normally do.
yeah,
So we've done mimic. You remember we spoke about mimic?
yeah.
What do you think?
Copy
Which
someone. Yeah.
yes. So which letter do you think that is?
So it's A.
A. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you want to write it or shall I? I'll just.
Can I write
There we go.
here?
Yeah, you can
Oh,
type it.
oh, oh, I can type. I can type it.
Yeah,
Oh,
on
ah,
your tool,
oh,
on your
ah,
little toolbar. There we go. Yes, mimic.
ah. I can do like
Good
this.
job. Yes.
I just know it.
Okay. So we've done that one. One down. What do you
Okay.
think real time means? Real time.
Real time is immediately, right now.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes. Perfect. So which B, C, or D?
Oh, is short time is D, right?
Yes. Perfect.
Oh,
So it's very quickly. As soon as you ask it a question, it gives you the
yeah.
answer. It thinks
Oh,
faster than a human.
yeah. Real time. Oh, I cannot type in here.
Do you see there's on your toolbar, there's like a letter T. If you click on
Mm,
that, then it will open a little thing for you to write on.
the, oh, mm,
Okay, don't worry, I'll write it for you.
okay, thank
Which
you.
one are we? Real? No, it's fine. Real top. There we go.
Yeah, thank you.
It's a
You can
pleasure.
remove it.
Yes. Bye bye.
Ah,
Okay.
uh, I saw it
Real
here.
top.
Mm,
Oh, you get there's it now. Okay. Explicit. Okay. Explicit.
yeah, explicit. I think. Oh, sorry.
It's
I
okay.
removed the word. So I will just write it here. Okay. Real time. Okay. Uh, explicit. It C.
That's perfect. Yes. So it has specific things, explicit things, how it answers questions. It gives you the
Yeah,
correct answer. Yes,
yeah,
explicit. Okay.
yeah.
And then the last one will be
One.
algorithms.
Yeah. Algorithm.
Algorithms. That's a funny word. Yes. So a set of rules that must be followed when solving a
Yeah,
problem. So this is probably how it works. You ask the question, then the computer goes and looks for the question and then the answer and it gives it to you.
yeah.
Okay. Are there any new words? Any questions?
Actually, explicit was the new word for me, but now I understand it.
Okay, that's great. That's why I love the definitions because
Yeah,
you know the word, but the definition just gives you that little bit more information.
yeah.
Okay. And then intriguing. Do you want to try and say that one more time for me? Intriguing.
Uh,
Intriguing.
Insecure, insecure, in,
You
I
see
don't know
that
this
letter
word.
U there? We
Mm.
don't say it. I don't know why it's there.
Uh,
Intriguing, intriguing.
intriguing. Yeah,
There we go. English is so
intriguing.
complicated because you spell it differently than how you say it.
In,
It's just another word for interesting. So if something
interesting.
is
Mm,
interesting, then it's intriguing. But if it's
intrigue.
really got your attention, you say it's intriguing. Okay,
Mm, um,
these are a lot of words.
yeah,
Okay, let's go.
intriguing. Yeah,
Intriguing.
okay.
See, you've got it. Yes. Vocabulary, because we need to know about this. Read
Mm,
these short sentences and select the correct definitions. So they've given us a sentence explaining these weird and wonderful pictures, and then they've sort of like highlighted or made a word in a different color. We need to try and figure out what that word means. Okay. So would you like to read sentence number 1 for me, please?
okay. Number one, sensors in AI devices detect environmental changes, providing crucial data for smart decision making. So sensor mean mm, mm, D, a
Letter
device that
D.
detects and measures physical environmental changes.
Perfect. Yes, that is perfect. Okay. Oh, just this word. I know in English the letter I, you can say it two ways. You could say it I or E. So in this word, it's decision. Decision.
Decision.
Yeah.
Okay. Decision.
Yes, there we go. Decision. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So this little machine looks
Yeah.
in the environment and tells you what's different. And it just helps give information to our scientists. Pretty cool. It looks kind of creepy, but okay.
Mm.
Sentence number 2.
Yeah. Number two, AI algorithms can diagnose patterns in medical data, assisting healthcare professionals in identifying potential health issues early on. So diagnose is uh, to identify and analyze an illness or problem.
Perfect. Yes. So instead of doctors doing the diagnosing, they're just gonna ask AI or a robot.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, good job. And number 3, the last one.
AI system tailor recommendations based on your preferences, customizing experiences for individual users. So tailor refer to um, customize or modify. Uh,
Yes. Okay, so Taylor, it's like the name Taylor, Taylor Swift.
yeah,
It's also like a profession. A tailor is a person that fixes like clothes. So they use this word tailor is to like fix or change things to the way you want it. So if you customize or modify, you make it how you want it. Yes, perfect. I see there's the example to sew or mend clothes. Yes. So this is a word, there's lots of words in English that have two meanings. So it can either be a person that fixes clothes or if you want to customize something. Okay, well done. 3 out of 3. Good job. Teddy bear. Any new words? Any questions?
oh, for new word here. Mm, no new word here, I think
No
so.
new words. That's
Yeah.
great.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
You've definitely got a lot of vocabulary because even your pronunciation of some of these difficult words is very, very good.
Thank
You speak
you.
like a native speaker and you read so well.
Ah,
Yes. Okay.
thank you for
Um,
a lot of compliment.
I'm just telling you the truth. It's good. It's good.
Actually, I'm
Okay.
really not confident in my English. Yeah.
Just
Okay.
you
Mm,
just be confident.
mm,
It's easier said than done, but yes.
mm.
Okay, let's read the paragraph and define the words. So what have we
Oh,
been doing? Can you read the paragraph for me?
okay. Artificial intelligence (AI) functions as an intelligence assistant, learning from data to provide valuable suggestions. Nonetheless, biases can influence AI systems. For instance, if the training data is skewed towards one group, the AI may unintentionally favor that group in its suggestions, potentially leading to less fair outcomes. Therefore, it's crucial to implement intervention and address biases to ensure fair treatment for all.
There we go. That was perfect. Your pronunciation of all these words. It's that's so good. It's very good. Okay, yes. Um, biases. Have you
Yes.
heard this word before? Do you know what it means?
Bias. I heard it a lot, but actually I'm not sure about the meaning. I
Okay,
don't. Oh, biases.
let me give you the definition and then let's talk about it. Okay,
A strong.
so bias is a strong feeling in favor or against one group of people or on one side in an argument, often not based on fair judgment. So let's take, for example, there's two people fighting. Maybe it's your brother and a person you don't know, and you know your brother is wrong, but because he's your family and you love him, you will take his side. So it's not based on fair judgment. You're doing it because you want to protect your brother, you love your brother. So you're against that other person because of your own opinions or feelings. So that's a bias. It's also
Okay.
mostly in sports or when you talk about people, especially lawyers are not allowed to have a bias.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you need
I got
to,
it. Mm.
you get it. Okay, that's great.
Yeah. Yeah.
An intervention. Have you heard of this before?
Intervention. Yeah, I heard it, but I don't know the meaning too.
Intervention, here's the definition: action taken to improve or help a situation. So
Um,
the most common word is to intervene. That's the action you're doing,
mm,
to intervene. And then they call that an intervention. So if there's a fight, maybe you get in the middle to break it up. Intervention.
mm,
Or if there's like a problem at work, your boss will try and solve the problem. Yeah,
yeah.
an intervention.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like fix a problem. You intervention.
Yeah. Intervene.
Okay. Yes. Any questions? Any words you want to go through again?
Oh, mm, ah, is the in the third row skewed?
Mhm. Oh, skewed. Okay, skewed.
Yeah.
Like they said, the AI, if you skew the data, you sort of how do I say this? You've fixed it so that the one person or the one team is sort of favored. So you've made it skewed towards one group. It's this is a
Mm,
funny word. It's skewed.
yeah.
It's more biased toward one side. It's skewed the data. Huh?
Yeah.
Skewed. Skewed.
Mm,
If something is not straight, it's skew. So if it's training, skew towards
mm,
one. It's going to go to one group because now you've put
mm,
all this information. It's skewed. It's going. It's false. False information. False.
yes. Mm,
False.
okay.
Lies. Skewed.
Mm,
Um, so say now, for example, we're using AI, and you give AI all this information saying that Taylor Swift is better than BTS or something because of all these positive things, and then you
yeah.
give the other side all these negative things. You're skewing the data. You're lying in a way.
Mm,
Okay, does that
mm.
help?
Yeah. I got it. Thank you.
You got it. Okay. Sorry, I
Yeah.
should actually know how to explain that better.
I
Yeah,
know.
skewed.
I got it because you give me the
Okay.
false and lie the similar word, so
Oh,
I understand it. Mm.
a synonym, a synonym, a similar
Synonym.
word.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Synonym, a
Yeah.
synonym.
Mm,
Okay, let's just review some of the words we were talking about.
mm,
So we had artificial intelligence, algorithm, real time, mimic, explicit,
yeah.
tailor, censor, diagnose, intervention, bias. Okay, so you're happy, you understand all of these words. Do you want to look at them again?
Yeah. I understand all of it.
That's great.
Mm,
Yes, smiley face. Okay,
mhm,
I think to end off, we're going to do some reading, but
yeah.
I'm also going to read. Yay.
Mm,
Okay, I think we've done enough definitions. Okay, conversation two. We have Lincoln and Jennifer, and they're going
yeah.
to be talking about AI and how they've used it and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Um, I want you to be Lincoln because of the vocabulary and the words and how he's expressing his opinions. So can you please read all of Lincoln's words for me, or
Okay.
sentences?
Yeah. Hey, Jennifer. I've been thinking about the prevalence of artificial intelligence today, and it's really impressive.
Yes. So prevalence is how it's becoming more and more common in
Yeah.
our world to use it. and it's going into every industry. So it's growing. The prevalence is common. It's
yeah.
growing. Okay. Hi, Lincoln. I know AI is about machines being smart, but I'm not quite clear on the details.
In a nutshell, AI is about machines mimicking human intelligence. It involves them learning from data, recognizing patterns, and making decisions without explicit programming.
There we go. Perfect. So it's like machines learning from experience?
Exactly. It's a bit like how we learn from our experiences. Now, AI applications are quite diverse. For instance, in finance, AI is utilized for fraud detection. It can analyze vast amounts of data to identify unusual patterns and prevent fraudulent activities.
Perfect. Yes. So fraudulent, if you are committing fraud, if you're doing fraud, if you're
Yeah,
stealing, we call that you're being fraudulent. And utilized is from the word use.
yeah.
Utilized. Yes, utilized. That's impressive. Any other applications? Okay, so she wants to know, is there anything else? Okay, so here are the useful expressions that we learned.
Yeah,
AI is about mimicking human intelligence. It involves machines learning from data, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. In finance, AI is utilized for fraud detection. In transportation, AI is making waves with self driving cars. So instead of having like your Uber driver pick you up,
yeah.
it's a car without a person. Have you seen this before on social media where there's a
Mm,
car that's driving, not a person that's driving?
yeah, I saw it.
Would you
Uh,
get into a car with no one driving?
um, I'm not sure, but I heard that in Seoul, in Korea, they are they are how to say they are examining
Oh,
the bus
examining? Yeah.
the bus without driver.
Okay. They're examining, they're like testing or trying it out.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it could be good because, they can see the routes or detect traffic, but I
Mm,
think you need an actual person to be
yeah.
there and to see everything.
And actually,
Okay.
I sometimes I think, but if AI can do a lot, they can we can lost our job. So I'm afraid
Yes.
of it.
So who's normally people drive to because they can't find like employment elsewhere, and now
Yeah,
robots are doing it. I understand. Especially nowadays in like supermarkets, you don't have like cashiers or tellers.
yeah,
You scan the stuff yourself.
yeah. It's convenient and I like it, but I'm afraid of it.
Yes, that's a good opinion. I like how you expressed your opinion. That's great. So we did transportation. There are issues including privacy. So all your information, like on Facebook and Instagram, it belongs to Meta. So when you sign up for an account, they know everything about you.
Yeah,
Potential bias in algorithms and the impact on employment. There we go. There's your opinion.
yeah,
Great. Striking a balance is crucial as AI continues to advance. Like you said,
yeah,
we it's taking over the world. It's a dynamic field with a lot of potential and challenges to consider. So what they're saying, it's a great thing to have, but challenges taking out jobs, our information, our safety.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Any questions?
Mm, yeah. I don't have any question here.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
great. Well done. That was perfect reading. Okay. What's next? Oh no. Okay. So normally at the end of the lesson, we call this reflection. So
yeah,
3 things you've learned today. You don't have to tell me 3 things, but we learned about AI,
yeah,
new vocabulary. What do you think you've learned? Did you learn anything?
yeah. I learned a lot of new word.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I
Actually,
like how you're taking notes.
oh, I saw this word more than one time before, but um, I don't, I didn't
Under yeah.
understand the real meaning, the deep meaning of it. But today I had chance to review the meaning with you, so it's great for me.
That's perfect. So you've heard the word, but you've never understood it.
Yeah.
And I like how you said the deeper meaning. So you now you understand how to use it.
Yes.
Okay, wow, perfect. two things you liked the most in today's lesson? Did you like the words, the topic, the reading?
I like how you compliment me and give me
Oh.
confidence to talk.
Aw, I'm
Yeah.
just telling you the truth because you speak
Mm.
so well. You are very well spoken.
Um, I really like
Yeah.
your energy.
My energy, that's great. And you
Mm.
too. Like, if my student is happy and I'm happy, then it's a great
Mm.
lesson. Oh, thank you. Okay. Yes. And is there one thing you want to know more about? Not really? What would you like to learn?
I want to know more about. Oh, mm, you mean the in this lesson for AI
Or in
or anything?
general, in anything. If you had to have another English lesson tomorrow, what would you like to talk about?
Oh, I want to talk about news.
The news.
Hot
That's a very
news.
interesting
Yeah,
one. Okay. That's
yeah.
great. Okay. That's all for today. What are you
Oh,
going to do today?
oh, I have to back to my work.
Oh, of course, yes, you have to work.
How?
Okay.
What time it is in your country?
In my country, it's 6:49 AM.
AM? Wow.
Yes.
You wake up early.
I did have to wake up early, but I'm glad. I had a very nice student, so yes.
Yeah,
And in Korea?
is 1:50 1:50 PM
Okay,
in Korea.
1:50 PM.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're, like, way ahead of us over there.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. It was so nice to meet you. I hope you have a great week and enjoy your work. I hope you had a great lesson. Yeah. So
Yeah, I
nice to
had a
meet you.
great lesson. And thank you so much.
Have a great
Have a
week
nice
and
day. Yeah.
you speak so well. Go for it.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.